Now let's go over setting up a website conversion campaign. Once again, from our dashboard, click the Create Campaign button. Now inside Objectives, go to Conversion and hit Sales. Once you do, you'll see an option either for TikTok Shop or Website. Website is the one we're going to use for now. As this helps drive traffic directly onto your website, we're going to select Website to drive users to our site or instant page, aiming for actions like Add to Cart or Purchase. Now let's select Manual Campaign or a Smart Plus campaign and move down. You have a product source category where you can either use a... As you scroll down, you find a product source category. Here you can either use a catalog to input your list of items, or you can just do without it, for now adding them all later. In the settings below, you can first choose your campaign name. Let's name this Web 1. Then again, you have the usual options of creating a split test campaign budget optimization and setting a campaign budget. From here, once again, you can change the ad group name, and then you have optimization location. This is where you select where you would want to drive your website conversions, whether to a page, whether that's going to be on your website, or to a TikTok instant page. Then you also have placements, automatic placement or select placement, and your usual options of comment, download, and share. Then you have your targeting, where you can choose your exact demographics, age, gender, languages, spending power, which audiences you want to include, exclude, and the behaviors as well, alongside other features. Lastly, you have your budget and your day partying, whether you want to make sure that your ad runs throughout the day or only in certain segments. Lastly, we have our bidding and optimization, and over here we have our optimization goal. This is the feature that we can change. Either that's going to be focused on conversion or it can be focused on click. Now, for all of this to work seamlessly, you will need a TikTok pixel or an Events API integration, and what you are going to do is you can add an event such as an add to cart. Now, it's important to understand that all of these will only work seamlessly once you have a TikTok pixel or an Events API integration. Once you have this, you can aim for actions like the add to cart on the purchase buttons that we discussed previously. An example of this could be an e-commerce brand that starts with an add to cart event with a budget of approximately $50 a day and a cost cap. Now they will start seeing site conversions. Initially, they might be low, but they will jump with pixel data. Another use case for this could be course sales, which could be optimized for complete payment with broad targeting and ACR used, and the CPA drops 20% after week 1. Another option could also be Reddit user advice, where you start with traffic collect events, then shift to conversion targeting, aim for 50+ events per week before scaling. This is about website conversion campaign. This is it for now. See you in the next lesson.